Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I made this Rae Dunn inspired Easter egg nest. This is a great budget DIY project to add to your Easter decor. You can display it on a shelf or on a mantle or on a table. If you enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Let's get started. So first I found this old planter that I had around the house. If you don't have one around, the dollar store carries a lot of planters in several different sizes. So first I took white acrylic paint and dry brushed the outside of the planter. I was going for a very rustic look, so I brushed the paint very lightly and made sure not to fully cover it. I really like this technique. It's a simple way to add some age and texture to your projects. Then I had these old craft Easter eggs from last year that got lightly dyed. They're from the dollar store, but I wanted them fully white, so I gave them a coat of white acrylic paint and let them dry. When they were dry, I seen that they weren't fully white yet, so I gave them another coat of white paint. So to recreate the Rae Dunn letters, I looked them up online and did my best freehand with a pencil first, and then I went over them with a black permanent marker. I wrote the words Easter, blessed, faith, and spring. So once I was done going over all of those, the planter was fully dried, and I took some raffia that I found at the dollar store. I placed it in the planter and arranged it into a nice nest shape. If you can't find any raffia, you could use moss, grass, or straw. It takes some adjusting, but make sure the nest is big enough for all of the eggs. Then take the eggs and arrange them how you like them in the nest. If you don't want to do a planter, you can also place them in an open egg carton or on a rustic tray. So there you go guys, this is my version of Rae Dunn's farmhouse inspired Easter eggs. I hope you guys liked this video. Leave a comment below if you're going to try this project. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next video. Thanks guys!